Amplify Science, Matter and Energy in Ecosystems, Unit Chapter 3, Lesson 3.4, Explaining What Happened in the Biodome. This lesson has multiple steps, always beginning with the warm-up. In this case, the warm-up has you use a cause and effect tool, and you're going to upload a screenshot. So this tool looks like this. You're going to drag and drop cards showing the sequence of events that lead to why Quincy was late during first period. Once you've taken a screenshot and uploaded that image, you're on to step 2. And this idea of a sorting tool stays with us in step 2. You're going to use another sorting tool, keeping in mind the word bank and all the information about the biodome, to sort out what was happening in the biodome. You're going to hand that in, grab a screenshot, and you'll upload that in the space below. Then we're off to the modeling tool. Now you're going to recognize the modeling tool. It looks a lot like the modeling tools you've used before. So here's some instructions, and you will again upload a screenshot of your model. So you'll hand it in, and here it is. They have a few things already pre-filled in for you that you had to fill in before on your own. Then you need to explain the rest of the story. In the teacher step, you watch a short video on the Biosphere 2, so the follow-up experiment, because in step 4, you are going to write a recommendation as to what they should do differently in Biosphere 2. And there's a word bank here, which is always useful. If you're not using these terms, you might want to go back and make sure you have a good understanding of what they mean, because you should be using them. It would be hard to explain this without using those terms. Step 5, going to be depending on your teacher and what they tell you, whether step 5 is optional or not. But the family homework experience, having a biodome discussion at home and reflecting and responding on how that went, including reviewing the article you've read previously. And then step 6 is the self-assessment, shown to be both beneficial to the student, teacher, and Amplify as to how you feel you're doing in these lessons. It's a bit lengthy in terms of questions, but it shouldn't take you too long.